Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
I just thought of sharing one of my experiences with all of you about what we can do if we really want it to be done and if we really make efforts for it. I'll just share my own childhood memories with you. One of the memories where when I was a child, I did not have a bicycle to ride. So whoever brought a bicycle to my home or near me, I would request, please थोड़ा जा चला दो, एक बार चला दो, just one ride. And this is how I learnt to ride a bicycle. Gradually, when I grew up, my longing increased for the machine rides like moped. At that time, there used to be different kinds of mopeds of like TVS, Atlas, and all. So whenever I would see a moped and whenever any of the relatives will come to us with a moped, I'll say, please, one ride. एक बार चलान दो. This is how I learned to ride the moped. एक चूटा. Na? You also must be doing the same thing. Scooter to bike and then car. That time we did not have the capacity to purchase a car. So whenever any relative would come, I would request, एक try, एक बार steering पकड़ना है, एक बार seat पे बैठना है. And I would keep noticing, my father would hire a car, I would sit on the pillion seat next to the driver. And I would keep observing how is the driver operating the car. When does he use the accelerator? When does he use the brake? When does he use clutch? How does he change the gears? When does he use which gear? So all this was only observation. And when I took the car steering in my hand for the first time ever, without having any formal training of driving a car, I took it from Pathankot to the dam site. We have a dam near Pathankot at Shapurkundi, and that is a hilly area. And my uncle who had brought the car, I requested him, uncle, please ek baar car chalan do. Please, ek baar, just once. He asked me, do you know how to drive? I said, yes, I know how to drive. He was not aware that it was my first time. But I did not give him the impression that it was my first time. Took over the steering right from Pathankot, driving through that hilly area, reached that dam side, parked the car, and then told him, Uncle, aaj pehli baar car chalai hai. He was surprised. Why am I sharing this experience with you people is because you also might be doing the same things. The vehicles which you want to ride or drive, you might have that strong desire in your heart and mind, and you might also be requesting maybe your parents or your friends or your relatives, please, एक चूटा, एक बार, बस इत्थों दी उत्थे तक. Right or wrong? Do you try or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you learn the things. Why am I quoting these examples to you is that if you really want to learn how to speak English, you must have the same kind of desire right here. The way you try to find the opportunities to ride and learn these vehicles, the same way you should have the zeal in your mind to find the opportunities to speak English. The way you request ik chuta please, the same manner you should request your friends and your teachers and others who can speak English, please 1 minute of spoken English. Please for 1 minute speak in English with me. Let's talk in English for 1 minute or 2 minutes. If and when you will get this desire this kind of feeling in your heart, and you will start expressing your desire for speaking English, that very day you will start speaking English also, right? So start developing this kind of zeal in yourselves, that yes, I want to find the opportunities and people to speak English. Happy English speaking. Take care. Thank you.